You know, I wrote a song a long time ago. It was probably all about you. She works in the bank and she works in the store, and she don't go for that old stuff anymore. Likes to get high and listen to the band.
Likes to make love to her kind of man. Outlaw women, first of their kind. Outlaw women,
Got here right on time.
outlaw women that don't need any guns. Outlaw women
Which
just out for fun.
in many ways she's a lot like me.
Don't give a damn about society.
Might be a little rich girl, or she might be poor.
She might be a married woman who needs a little more.
Might be. There's a lot of them.
Outlaw women,
First of a kind.
outlaw women,
They've been riding high since '79.
outlaw women, they don't need any guns. Outlaw women, we're just out for fun. Some call her a lady, some call her other names.
But you won't ever call her that around me or my gang.
Outlaw women, first of their kind. Outlaw women,
They're riding high every day and night.
outlaw women, they
Don't need no gun.
outlaw women,
We're
just out for fun. Ooh, you know, hey,
Baby,
just
I'm
out
in this for fun.
Wow.
I go both ways.